How to schedule threads post for later. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'll show you how to schedule your post on Instagram threads so you can plan content in advance. So first things first, open up the Threads app and then go to the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to start a new threads post. Here you can write your text, add images or hashtags as usual, and once your post is ready, you can tap on the three dots menu in the top right. There you'll find the schedule option. So here you can set the time and the date and then just tap on schedule. And that's it. Just double check the timing to make sure it's correct, and your post will automatically be published at the chosen time. It's as simple as that. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Thank you for watching.